2015 Airstream Interstate 3500L EXT 24FT Mercedes Turbo Diesel Sprinter 10K miles 117, 990 Mercedes Sprinter chassis with dual rear wheels, 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel with 325 ft/lbs of torque, 5-speed automatic transmission with tip shift, allows manual shifting for the hills, driver and passenger front and side thorax airbags, blind spot/collision/lane keeping assistant, rear view camera with rear view mirror monitor, heated driver and passenger seats, multifunctional steering wheel and dash. Trim kit, Onan 2 5 kW micro quiet generator with remote start, roof and dash air, 50 watt solar panel, converter/inverter 45 amp charger/1000 watt inverter, dual AMG batteries, quad seating and rear lounge area with ultra leather power, reclined sofa sleeper and HD LED flat screen TV, private full bath, nice kitchen with Korean countertop, 2 burner with integrated cover, stainless steel sink with integrated cover and fold down faucet, galley flip up shelf, micro/convection oven and under counter. Refrige. Conejo Wholesale Auto and RV exclusive Fleetwood Bounder dealer for Ventura County, 661 East Thousand Oaks Boulevard, Thousand Oaks, California, 91360. Open 7 days, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Come experience the no-pressure sales approach at Conejo RV. We also buy clean late model coaches.